Welcome to Atlantic Adventures.
Hello everyone, welcome to motive log number 4 or 5, I'm not sure what it is. But anyways, we're going to head out to Steady Brook, I believe. I might go for a ride up there. Just waiting for supper to cook, so I figured I'd go for a ride. Maybe take the drone up if the winds aren't bad up there and so on. I might take the drone up, so we'll see. Oh, it's still got the blinker on. Forgot that. So we're gonna head up the highway. I usually don't ride the bike on the highway that much, but we're gonna go for a ride up there down. Try to limit the highway riding as much as I can. Okay. Well, we're on the highway. I don't know how good you can hear me. Probably a lot of wind noise, but I could be surprised as well. I'm not sure. Currently doing 96, maybe about 90, I guess, because my speedometer's off about 5 kilometers. Now we're doing 100. 7,000 RPMs at 100. It's not too bad. A lot of people ask if this bike is capable to do 100 on the highway, and yes it is. But you can't hold it for very long. Well, you can hold it for a while, but I wouldn't hold it too long. It'd probably blow the engine up. Take you up Humber Valley now. You'll see a lot of beautiful scenery. Didn't realize I was doing 120 or something there. There's still people passing me. Quite a bit of wind on. I don't know if it's just highway wind, but it feels like it's blowing. We'll have to see if we are going to fly or not, but for some reason the guy ahead of me keeps putting on his brake. I'm kind of frightened to pass him. A lot of wind coming up this Humber Valley here. Looking up at the man in the mountain. lot of traffic on the highway today for some reason. Rush hour now low is 4:39. People just getting off work at 4 o'clock, I guess. It's a good little run up here. Not too far on the highway, probably 5 or 10 minutes, not even. I don't like to push the bike too long, right? Pedal biker here. Let's see what the waterfall's like right now. We can fly up to the waterfall and start. We'll be able to get good long exposures. So that's the plan anyways. So far, is to get a good long exposure of that waterfall. Let's see what happens here. Might not get any water falling over much of it anyways. We'll see. See waterfall right now. Up ways, I guess. Look around. Now it's like a drone. Go up so far, anyways. There falls up that way. That's where you walk up anyways. We'll head up over the hill and check to see where we can get into with the drone. See if we can get on top of the waterfall with it. Try anyways. Hard to wheelie on this because it's not much track. We're going up and up and up. Up on top of here and have a look anyways. Boys aren't up here doing the whole zip line thing, so I might go ahead on the zip line thing and probably fly. That's what the plan is. Try it anyways. fly right off the side of the mountain. That's what we're going to do.
Well, as we stop the bike here, I get the drone out and we just have a little flight around. I'm going to show you a few shots from that. We're going to end the video, so please hit the like, subscribe, notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching.